This is Sundubu Jjigae. This is a spicy Korean tofu soup. This is one of my favorite Korean dish. My best friend Joseph Kim first introduced me to this in a place called YD Tofu House, and it was so good, it was so addicting. It inspired me to make it myself. So delicious. Hot, 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 hot. Oh my god, it's so good. I made mine extra spicy. I recently went back to Sacramento for a food tour, and I really wanted to go to YD Tofu House, but I ate so much food. The place, it had like, I don't know if you guys ever had like Korean fried chicken. It's so good. It's coated so well, like it's so battering, it's so good. Because of the beef in there, I wanted some rice too. The tofu is so soft. The soup is savory, umami. Pepper flakes is spicy, brings out all the flavor. You guys know I like to eat spicy. Hot. I always see Korean people eating it really hot. Probably do it too. See how hot it is. Good. So comforting. One of my favorite, Sundubu Jjigae. The tofu, pepper flakes just hangs onto it. The meat, the beef. Oh, hot, hot, hot. The tofu is so hot that when you bite into it, it just like explodes. Kind of like xiaolongbao. It has onions in here. The anchovy broth, so good. It's savory. Umami from the fish sauce. From the nukmam nampa, the beef fish sauce. Nampla kimchi. Radish. Kimchi. Ooh, egg in there too. Thank you so much, guys. 감사합니다. Thank you. 안녕. See you guys next time.